Alright, so today we are just going to have a small discussion on the current education system. We'll discuss about some of the examples that are happening in the country these days. Like with me, we have Sangeeta ma'am and Rajesh sir. Hello sir, hello ma'am. Ma'am, like Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, now what he has done after coming to the power, he has actually reformed the entire education system in Delhi. And because of that, even on Chhattisgarh government, they have sent their team to study those systems. And they have studied it, they came back, and the same thing they are now applying in Chhattisgarh. So what is your intent in that? What do you want to say in this? How do you see this?
Chhattisgarh government is applying this policy. Our Chhattisgarh is become very good education of our children, and
How do you see this Arvind Kejriwal's policy? I want to know that first. Like whatever he has done in Delhi for Delhi government schools, how do you see it? Is it good, bad, ugly, or what are the good points in that?
their good points are to they focus to English and for other subject.
Okay.
This, for example, we only just like a maths student only read, only study maths, physics and chemistry, but they can chance for in this time they take maths with economics and extra subjects.
Okay. Okay. Education system of Chhattisgarh currently, what do you feel? Where are the areas where we need to improve, or you feel that some actions should be taken for that? What do you feel? Since you are in an education line, so you know the root of it.
Sir, at present our Chhattisgarh government education system has a very bad condition,
Yes, I agree.
because this time this time we all pandemic situation. It's affected our education system, like that our teachers, our students, so
It's loss for the students also because
Yes,
of the
it is
pandemic.
loss.
Because of the pandemic, students are also not able to
Yes.
come to the schools actually.
Yes.
Other than that, if we see that you find in government education system in Chhattisgarh, if we talk about specifically our state, if you talk about Chhattisgarh government, what are the weaknesses, what are the loose points, what are the loose points that you find there? That you feel that this should be changed.
I find that Chhattisgarh government had do good work, but if they have time, you get many words or overloads to
Okay.
teachers.
Okay.
Therefore, they don't focus their study,
Okay.
their teaching.
Okay.
So, first point
You
is
mean to
this.
say government gives extra work to the teachers, So because of that, they are not able to focus to teach the children properly,
Yes.
and that is impacting the students.
Students.
So you want to say that they should reduce the extra work,
Yes.
so that teachers should be able to focus totally on the students.
Students.
Okay. Okay. So if I ask you, Rajesh sir, as you have already worked in private school also, and now in government school also, so you are a better person to come. You also have worked in a private school, now working for government. So you are the best people to compare both private school as well as the government school. The methodology, the teaching pattern, the policies that they have come up with. So if you have to change certain things in government school in respect to the children's education, not about the facilities to teachers, in respect to the students' education, what changes will you bring?
Sir, private school, between private school and the government school, I saw and I taught and I brought. Beginning, sir, in beginning,
At private school.
in beginning,
Okay.
I taught. I taught students.
Okay. Which standard student will you teach?
Sir, I taught maths.
Okay, you taught maths.
I taught
Which
in standard 6, 7, 8.
okay. To 6, 7.
After that, sir, I taught maths 9 and 10.
Okay, you taught maths to 9 and 10 also. And currently you are teaching English. correct?
English.
You are not teaching mathematics.
No, no, sir.
Okay. Alright. So what makes you shift this subject? Is it that like, you didn't like the math subject, or is it that the English teacher was not there in the current school?
Sir, I prefer maths subject.
You prefer math subject. And what subject do you teach?
I teach science subject.
Right from then
I teach maths also.
you teach maths also. When you were in that private school at Gaon and other place, what subjects you were teaching there?
I teach science subject in
You taught-
Sambhavi Public School,
Okay.
and I teach.
You taught?
I taught English and moral science and
Okay.
science and also maths
Okay. Okay.
in career finance and Silvertown.
Okay. So now you are teaching only science subjects.
Yes.
That is physics, chemistry, and mathematics.
Yes.
And which standard?
I teach standard 6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. And when you were in private school, which standards you were teaching there?
I teach 4 to.
You were teaching.
I will teach
You were teaching.
standard 4 to
Okay.
10.
So when you were in Bhadgaon, you taught standard 4 to 10. Now you are teaching standard 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And before that, before Bhadgaon also you were somewhere. There also you were teaching to higher students only.
No. Before teaching in Bhadgaon,
Okay.
I taught in Korba
You taught in Korwa. How long?
1 year, for 1 year.